Hi, we have the AP Physics 1 past paper 2019. We are discussing the section free response questions. Now we have the question number 5 which carry the 7 points. In this question, a tuning fork vibrate at 512 Hz held near one end of the tube length L open at both ends, mean the tube is open at both ends. The column of the air in a tube resonate at its fundamental frequency. The speed of the sound in air 340 meter per second. Now first question, calculate the length of the tube. As we know that there is a general formula for the frequency when both ends are open, Fn is equal to Nv over 2L, because there is a antinode on the ends. There is a distance between the two antinodes is lambda by 2. In L length there is always lambda by 2 for the L length, so lambda can be represented by 2L. So here that's why there is a 2L. So for the fundamental frequency N is equal to 1, so we have place 1. Now we have to calculate L should be shift cross V over 2F1. We have fundamental frequency, we have the velocity, so answer is 0.33 meter. Now next part of the question, the column of air in a tube is still resonating at its fundamental frequency. On the axis, sketch a graph between maximum speed of the air molecule as the oscillation in a tube as a function of position x0. From there we can say x0 to the right where x is equal to L. Ignore the random thermal motion of the air molecules. So if we see the standing wave inside the tube open at both ends, air molecules at the end are free to move. So particles have maximum speed at that there. So fundamental frequency node is the middle where the air molecule don't move at all. So maximum speed at center is equal to 0. So we have seen there is a gradually decrease in the speed at the center. Its speed is 0. Now again toward the other end its speed is increasing. Okay, that's the answer. Now the right end of the tube is captured. Now one end closed and the tube placed in a chamber that is filled with another gas in which speed of the sound is 1005 meter per second. Calculate the new fundamental frequency. Now one end is closed capped, making the one open closed tube open at one end. Fundamental frequency occur when there is anti-node at the open end and the node at the close end. So distance between anti-node and node is lambda by 4. So if there is a L length, so we can say L length, there is a lambda is equal to 4L from here, because there is a total length of L and L length there is lambda by 4. So lambda is equal to 4L. Now fundamental general formula for the open closed tube is Fn is equal to Nv over 4L. Now we have the value of L and we have the speed. Now fundamental frequency is 757 Hertz. For fundamental frequency N is equal to 1. So all of the answer is here. If you have any query, kindly ask in a comment. If you like the content, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, take care.